1. 1969 Buick Riviera, $900. Elmont. This 1969 Buick Riviera is priced at $900 as a parts car. It features a clean title and a body in decent condition, aside from rust on the front hood and some missing parts, including the seats, front grille, and gas tank. The engine is said to be in working condition, though without a carburetor, and the transmission is functional. It's ideal for someone looking for a donor car or restoration project. 2. 1979 Chevy Scottsdale C20 half-ton, $1,000. A 1979 Chevrolet Scottsdale Camper Special C20 is available for $1,000 or best offer. The truck runs well with a rebuilt motor and a solid transmission. However, it lacks smog equipment and won't pass inspection. With good tires and 68,100 miles on the odometer, not original, it's a practical farm truck or a project for Mexico. Three, 1975 Ford Maverick, $700, Apache Junction. This 1975 Ford Maverick, sold as a Mercury Comet, is a $700 project car. Powered by a 250 straight-six engine with automatic transmission, it runs but needs work. The car features parts from a 1967 Fairlane, including the rear axle and front brakes. With unknown mileage and a clean title, it's a budget-friendly option for classic car enthusiasts. 4. 1973 Buick Century, $2,000, Sacramento. For $2,000, this 1973 Buick Century offers a two-door body with original paint and drivetrain. The motor and transmission run well, though the carburetor may need cleaning. The car requires towing due to a leaking master cylinder. With lean sale papers and a straight body, it's a worthwhile project for restoration enthusiasts. Five, 1956 Packard Patrician, $2,850, Sacramento. This rare 1956 Packard Patrician is offered by the California Automobile Museum for $2,850. The car has solid sheet metal, glass, and chrome, making it an excellent project or parts donor vehicle. While the motor isn't frozen, it will need work to get running. It's a unique opportunity to own a piece of Packard history. 6. 1973 Chevy C10 LB, $3,000, Plano. A 1973 Chevy C10 long bed truck is available for $3,000. It features 20-inch wheels, GPS speedometer, and an automatic transmission. While it needs a battery, starter, and some rust repairs on the hood, fender, and tailgate, it does run and is a solid project for truck lovers. 7. 1966 Ford Mustang, $2,750, Bruceville TX. This 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe is a complete vehicle with a clean title, priced at $2,750. It has a 6-cylinder engine with a 3-speed manual transmission. The car requires restoration with rusty lower front fenders and a floor pan needing replacement, but it has a solid frame, good doors, and quarters. It's a great project or parts car. Eight, 1970 C10 Texas Classic Truck, $13,500, Blue Ridge TX. This 1970 Chevy C10 is a fully registered and insured Texas Classic priced at $13,500. It features a 350 engine, automatic transmission, headers, and a 4-barrel carburetor. Additional highlights include power steering, disc brakes, patina paint, and chrome wheels. Owned by the same family since 2010, it's a turnkey truck ready for its next owner. Nine, 1971 Dodge Charger RT, $15,000 Allen TX. A 1971 Dodge Charger RT is available for $15. This real WS23U 440 RT comes with a matching numbers 440 short block and a clean title. The car is a restoration candidate with solid frame rails, minor patches needed on the trunk and main floors, and no seats. It's located in Allen TX and includes all pictured parts. Ten, 1970 Plymouth Satellite Hardtop Superbird Clone, $12,500 Allen TX. For $12,500, this 1970 Plymouth Satellite has been transformed into a Superbird clone. It features an automatic transmission and comes with a clean title. The seller offers over 100 photos available online and assistance with transport anywhere in the continental United States. This is a great opportunity to own a striking tribute to a classic American muscle car. $1973 Mercury Cougar XL7, $16s and $999, a Popka. This 1973 Mercury Cougar XL7 is priced at $16,999 and features an all-original drivetrain and interior. Powered by a 351 CID Windsor engine with 11,598 original miles, it's in excellent mechanical and cosmetic condition. The car includes cold AC, Ford blue metallic paint, a white interior, original trim, and a clean Florida title. These 11 vehicles range from affordable parts cars to near-complete classics. Whether you're looking for a restoration challenge or a ready-to-drive classic, there's something here for everyone. Which one caught your eye?